round, circle round, like the sun and like a clown. No corners, just go round, circles fun and can be found. Square has sides 1, 2, 3, 4. All are same, not less, not more. Like a box or a small floor, we see squares everywhere and more. Triangle has 3 sharp sides, like a mountain where bird hides. 1, 2, 3, count with me. Triangle's fun to see. Rectangle is long and wide, like a door or bed inside. Too short, too long, that's right. Rectangle is neat and bright. Shapes are fun, shapes are cool. We see them at home in school. Circle, square, and triangle too. Now it's time to say adieu. Rectangle round, circle round, like the sun and like a clown. No corners, just go round, circles fun and can be found.